Hi, it's me Audrey, and today I'll be doing one of my sister's makeup tutorials, and I'm kind of sweaty and scared. Okay, so what I'm going to be doing is the Green Cut Crease, and first I'll be watching the video, I think.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you want to learn how to get this look, then keep on watching.
Okay, I'm gonna get the Selena. Bless you.
Sure, thanks.
Okay, so I'm doing the Rosalina like in the video. Oh no.
Rosalina.
I'm sorry, jeez. I'm sorry. I don't know how to do makeup.
So we're gonna start off by taking raw sienna, and we're gonna build that color into the crease.
I had to rewatch it. I probably look like an insane person. Oh, what am I doing? What am I doing with my life? Ooh. It looks like I'm using the same. Yes. I feel bad for my classmates that have to watch this. They're probably like, what the heck are you doing? You'll look the same way after you're done. Build it up like Donald Trump's wall. Because they're still building it. I wonder how my sister got these makeup ideas. Okay. I might be done. Okay, so I'm gonna see what she's gonna do next.
Try to get at least that color will be showing through. Here, there's a really and then I'm gonna go in with Cypress Umber, and I'm just going to use that to deepen up.
Okay, I'll be using this brush for it.
Do higher.
This color for the inner section to darken it up.
Love it. Love it, girl. Are you Ursula?
Yes, I am. I think I added too much. Can I redo this color? Oh. I have a question. Why didn't we? I have a question for myself, for Amika. Did she use foundation before this? Conspiracy. Y'all better start them conspiracies, guys. I look like Ursula. Sorry about my root sister in the background. Not making it any better. Ooh. I look like I got punched in the face. So
Use that to deepen up the crease color again, and as you can see, I'm taking a smaller, fluffier brush, and I'm just placing that color underneath where we put raw sienna. So
I'm slowly
the
thinking
raw
about my
sienna
life.
will peek through that color. Here, and then
Okay,
the
so
other
I think what she did was she's like going back with the color so it would blend. So I think I'm gonna do that. You guys are probably gonna come at me. James Charles be shook. No, I think I'm shook. I think James Charles is disgusted from what I done to myself. She said she switched between brushes, so I'll do that. I'll do that. I think the Cyrus number is taking over. How did she do that? What the hair? This already is starting out bad. And currently people are taking photos on me.
I cut the crease. Don't worry about getting it too clean right now. Like when we do cut the crease, it will look very...
Is that like a monkey? I think it looks like I got punched in the eye more than Green Cut Crease.
Now I'm going to take my MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. Really, any liquidy concealer will...
And I have concealer because that's what she said she used. And she said liquidy content. Okay, so my sister put in a crease. I should be a clown when I grow up. Oh. I don't know how to put it, so I put it like a glob. Hopefully it doesn't fall in my eye. And if it does, I'm gonna sue my sister. I'm gonna sue her for $5. Oops. Okay, I'm cleaning my hand at the bottom. I think I put a lot. I wonder how you
You just want to make your life a little bit easier and just go for the liquidier one. Taking my time with it, I'm using it really so that it won't look.
Some people are judging me under this camera. Or like look into the mirror because I know nothing will get me better. Oh wow, thank you. I hope you guys are giving compliments under that screen. What? Oh, tempera then. Okay, just set that. Oh, I don't even see it. If you want me to do more videos of me and my sister, like it.
Because if you kind of mess up on the shape of your crease,
I will be using, there's this other palette that has a black, and it currently, what is this palette? Something just appeared on the computer. Yes, queen. Yeah. I'm slowly having a mental breakdown.
for you, so that's the part that I really like the most. If you didn't get it that perfect while you're doing the liquid, if it was running too much for you. And then as you saw, I took my Saharan palette in the color Chad, and I just I'm trying to deepen out my outer V, and I'm using a really small dome-shaped brush, the same color that we used to place that brown color, and I'm just darkening out the outer edge a little bit more, just so I can have a gradual effect from light to dark.
I'm fixing this one. So she's blending it in the middle. The white has disappeared.
And then taking that number 1 color, I'm just going to place that on the inner portion of my eyelid.
Fill the blank spaces. This eye isn't the greatest. Back this. I don't know how to blend.
Just taking a baby wipe or a makeup remover wipe, whatever is your preference, and you're just going to clean up underneath and just take off all the fallout. I'm also trying to clean out my outer edge because I didn't want to use tape for that sharp eye, and yeah, I'm just trying to just even out the eyes. So
right now I'm measuring. I think that's good enough. Oh my gosh. Where should I? Oh, come on. Okay, so what she did was get the makeup forever and pump it on her face.
Oh. Oh. Oh my god. That's good enough. That's good enough. You're
And then I'm gonna take an oldie but a goodie, the Naked Skin Concealer, and then I'm gonna take my damp beauty blender and I'm just going to blend it out, guys. Just blend. Going to place that where I did my concealer highlight, and
she put it all over her face.
And I'm going to take my Urban Decay Perversion pencil eyeliner in black, and I'm something, but
oh no, this floor is gonna be screaming every second. Oh no.
So to blend out that black liner though, I'm just going to take that raw sienna color.
Just like that.
All the time, so
scared.
I might as well just fucking do it, you know what I mean? So
Yeah.
and then to just deepen up that color a little bit more, I went in with Cypress Umber and I just blended that in to make it even more smoky.
Oh. Mission failed. We'll try again. I've fallen and I can't get up.
Black nylon and another pencil brush, and I'm just going to use that to brighten up my inner. My MAC Studio Fix powder.
I have it right here. I can feel the pounds of makeup on my face. And that's good enough.
And guys, I made a dent in that palette, so play my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette.
We're using this one. Okay, I think that's good.
Green Tea Bright, and then I'm gonna contour the sides of my nose.
Okay, so contouring the side
I'm just gonna
of her nose. Just started off horrible and is ending kind of okay.
light with Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood Illuminator. And then I'm going to use my Sigma Aura blush.
With this brush, that since my sister doesn't have it, we have this.
Blush in Coeur de Rose. And actually it was Ayla Sarai's recommendation, and I fucking love it, guys. And then I'm going to try to take off that powder.
Okay, I think that's good.
Feeling, and I'm just going to spray Fix Plus all over my face before I do my.
No. Okay. I think that's good.
And then I'm gonna take MAC Spice and I'm gonna do a little lip contour action right here.
Okay, so she uses this to line her lips. I don't know how to draw my lips, so this is what happened.
Then I'm gonna go in with MAC Cosmetics lip gloss in the color Lust.
Don't have it right now, so we're gonna use this substitute. Oh no. Okay.
Just gonna go over my lips, and guys, that completes the look. You guys made it to the end, and yeah, thank you so much for watching.
So guys, this is my final look. I look insane. Yeah. Maybe my makeup still to get better. Thanks for being here. And bye. My social media will be at the end. Wait, not the end. The bio. Thanks for watching and hit that like button. And Mika will be here next time unless I take her channel control. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.
How do you think she did?
I'm ashamed.
Now?
Eyelashes on? Cause I like this. Is it glue? Your eyelid is glue.
What do you think?
Who put the glue in her eyelashes? She doesn't look like me. I cannot see any resemblance.
Like an hour long. It's okay.
What Paula said?
She said, "Yikes."
She cannot be using dark colors.
Good,
Or you're
but
scared.
Yeah, or you're
scared out of his mouth.
guys. I think it's real.
Okay. Babe, we're gonna have to do the Rosalina again. Okay, poke in my eye.
Add color instead of
I just burped right there. I'm telling the truth to you viewers.
sharp, I promise you. Number to my outer edge.
Cause you are right. Wake up, mine.
And
Yeah.
What are you doing?
in here I'm going to use my makeup.
Cricket.
There's Mochi.
How can I explain myself? You said you care for me, said you be there for me, cry for me.
Murder on the beat.